Hey guys, it's Cara. Welcome back to the Rambutina channel. Today I have a bit of an update video, just letting you guys know what's going on with all of my whips and like projects, but also some exciting updates for the channel. So let's start with the beanies. So we posted all about the beanies on our Instagram this weekend. Well, last weekend. Just thinking about when I'm actually going to post this. So last weekend we posted on our Instagram. Here's the grid. Here's the posts of the beanies and how we are donating 70% that we make from the beanies to Macmillan Cancer Support. So please check it out if you'd like to order a beanie. So we actually had to update it today because, well, no, I'll get into that in a bit because I'll do a little bit of a yarn haul as well, so explaining what's going on with yarn in the UK at the moment, or I don't know if it's just around me. But anyway, let's get to the beanies, because we decided to also do some toddler and child beanies. I think I mentioned this in my video when I explained me shaving my head. Yeah, I think I mentioned then that we were going to do smaller sizes, so this is a child beanie. Look how cute! But wait for the toddlers, because oh my goodness, so tiny. Oh, this matches my outfit. But yeah, with the little faux fur pom-poms, they kind of need to be like fluffed out with a hairbrush? No, hairdryer. But yeah, here's the little purple one with the white floof. Oh, it's so cute. So yeah, we've got a few of those. These are pre-made beanies that we posted on our story, and you can pick these up, or you can buy those. But yeah, super happy with those beanies, and we've had so many custom orders already, so thank you guys so much to those who have ordered beanies already. It's going to help us out so much. My nose looks really pink with this light in the background, but it's okay. So like I was saying before with the yarn, so we tried going to Aldi to buy yarn. There was literally nothing apart from like one Aran yarn in green, so we've got loads of that now. But yeah, we just can't buy yarn at the moment, so the only yarn we were able to buy is from the Wool Factory, and I have had a haul from them before, and they're really great because it's all like outlet yarn, so it's really cheap. The only problem with that though is when it's out of stock, you don't know if it's going to come back. So it's really great, but that's a tiny like, oh, if we need more of that yarn, it might not be there anymore. So I'm going to show you some of the bits that we bought for the beanies. Just have 4 skeins of yarn to show you, but I've bought, you know, 3 of each colour, that sort of thing. So first off, we needed to buy some white and black. Well, it's kind of an off-white, and this is the Majestic double knitting, but it's an Aran weight yarn, I'd say. Yeah, and I will probably double this to make the chunky beanie. But yeah, so just mixed fibres, 100-gram balls, and I believe this was like £1. Yes, I think this one was actually £1. But yeah, so that's really great. I think we got 3 balls of this one. I think we got 3 balls of each actually. And then we need black, so we got the Woolcraft New Fashion Chunky, and yeah, it's like thicker than an Aran, definitely. So probably just like a 5 chunky, 100% acrylic. 100 grams. Yeah, just needed a black for a nice black beanie. Then I picked up these 2 colours because I really liked them on the site, and this is the Majestic, but this one actually says chunky on it. So yeah, I have a feeling like all the yarn on Wool Factory is like, you know, bin ends and like misprinted labels, stuff like that. That's why it's cheaper, but I've never seen this yarn before. So it's the Majestic Chunky, 100 grams, mixed fibre, and this really nice purple colour. So yeah, that one. And then I got this one, Signet. I know this brand. And this is the Aran, but it's really thin. I don't know if that is like a misprint or it's got the wrong label, but it feels like their DK, so I'm a bit confused with this one. And this is the colour Sage. I don't know if you saw that. There we go. 100 grams, 100% acrylic. But yeah, I should really compare this to my Signet DK because I'm pretty sure this is DK and not Aran, so I'll have to triple this yarn to make a chunky beanie. So that's all the colours I got from the Wool Factory. That was our order last week, and we've had to make 2 more orders to, you know, make all these beanies, but we really don't want to carry on buying because I have yarn. I mean, you can see I've got an empty shelf there because we took all my 4 medium weight yarns out. We've like displayed them all out so we can see what will go with what, so we can, you know, recycle our what is it called, leftovers of yarn. So we want to like match them together, make some really unique hats like that. So yeah, today we posted that we can no longer take custom orders for, you know, yarn that we might have to buy for. We can only take custom orders where you choose from what we already have. You can obviously customize what pom-pom you want, like a faux fur or a yarn pom-pom, or you can even have 2. But yeah, so we've had to stop doing custom orders to stop buying yarn because 1, it's difficult, and it's just getting too expensive. So yeah, that's what and plus we just want to recycle my yarn. We're gonna do it anyway. So last part of the video, Rambutina channel is growing and we hit 1k subscribers, and I am doing a yarn giveaway, a 1k yarn giveaway. I've mentioned this before, but because yarn is so hard to get at the moment, I'm gonna delay it a little bit and wait until Aldi maybe comes out with some more yarn so I can make a nice yarn giveaway for that. But big news, I have signed up to the Ice Yarns affiliate program, so all of the links in my videos that mention Ice Yarn will be affiliated links, and yeah, it would help us out so much if you guys could purchase through the affiliate link. As well as that, I have signed up to the Designers Ice Yarn program thing, so I will be posting blog posts, well hopefully be posting blog posts on the Designer Ice Yarn, and I will be receiving free yarn from Ice Yarn. I'll be getting yarn support. Like last week I asked for some more Picasso and the Softly Baby, the lilac colour, because I'm gonna finish that blanket and make it into a tutorial, so, and a pattern. So I asked for that yarn and they sent it, and it arrived really quickly, so I'm really happy about that. Really pleased. I'm so grateful that we were able to do this, and I can get free yarn from Ice Yarn, which is like a dream of mine. So yeah, expect some tutorials, patterns using Ice Yarn, which I think is really great because it means you can buy that yarn wherever you are in the world. Like they'll ship it to you. So yeah, I think that's really great to, you know, see a tutorial and buy the exact same yarn so that your project is, you know, similar. But yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm getting really pink now because it's getting dark. But yeah, thank you so much again for subscribing, for commenting, for liking and watching. It's been amazing. But yeah, hope you have a lovely day, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye guys!